So check this out. This is a Purolator L10241 oil filter, which was off a 2021 Ford Explorer with the 2.3 ecoboost. This filter has around 7,000 miles on it. And why that's important is, when I spin this box around, you can see Purolator says to use this filter for 5,000 miles. And I never paid much attention to that. And on purpose, I let it go till around 7 just to see how this filter would hold up. I really like the idea of this filter. It's really cheap. It was like $3.99 at Walmart 6 months ago. Silicone anti-drain back valve. I like the metal end caps. I can deal with the glued seam for $3, but I'll show you what we got here. And if you can see the bottom there, there's a hole, and this pleat is ripped off. So maybe you can get a little better view of it from here. Yeah, there you go. You can see that that hole is there. So for a certain period of time, anyway, this oil was just bypassing, well, partially bypassing this filter. Other than that, I mean, if the filter was not broken at the bottom there with that one pleat right there, the only other thing I guess you could say is you can see that it's like sucked in, that pleat. If you spin around, you can see everything's pretty even, except for that one is sucked in. So there's some extra glue here. You can see it's coming off. It's not super great. I took a little bit off earlier when I was just trying to find out what it was. So the things in the bottom of the can could be glue as well. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty good filter for $3 had it not broken. Had it not broken, I would be making a video right now saying this is a great deal, blah, blah, blah. But at least for 7,000 miles, it didn't hold up. I am going to change the oil at 5,000 miles to see if it makes a difference. I like the filter other than the failure point down here. You know, it was affordable. They're readily available, made in the USA. You know, I like the metal end caps. I like the silicone anti-drain back valve. So it's kind of a shame, but I'll see you in 5,000 miles, and I put the same filter back on, so I will change it at 5,000 miles and see how it looks.